This is my review of the Born Pretty Polygel Extension Nail Gel Kit. So for this set, I actually ended up using my own Geo Whitney LED light, but I'm using the actual Polygel products. I ended up also using the brush that came with it. I was very impressed with all the stuff that came with it. Definitely a lot. Then these are the nail forms. There's two different types, and I chose the oval ones. It came with the step by step, and it did come with that light, but I didn't use it. So it came with these cute little jars, which I love, and I put the slip solution inside that jar, kind of like acrylic nails. So now here I go. I picked the thin ones. I made the forms. I picked all the forms that were closest size to my nail. So basically, you put the solution inside the nail and you cure it. So you have to pick the right ones. So there I go. I cleaned my nails with these little prep things that came with it, which I really liked them. It took off all the oils, and there is my base coat. Put the base coat on, and I cured my nails. Then I put the gel in the forms. I picked these three colors. I later regretted the way that I did this, but yeah. So then I formed it in. I put it on my nail. See how I formed it down? I patted it down with the slip solution. I put the slip solution on the brush. That helps it not stick. Then I stuck it on my nail, and ever so lightly, I just kind of pushed it down, and I put it into the curing for 1 minute and 30 seconds. I actually did maybe like a little longer on some of them because I thought I need to give it like almost 2 minutes. So I cured it under my lamp, and then I popped the top off. There's a little thing, you pull it off and you pop it off. I'll show you in a minute. So now I'm doing another one. This time I actually remembered that I wanted to do like something different, but I remembered that you want to do the glitter on the bottom because the glitter will like spread more and you want to see the glitter. And then I spread it around, I patted it down. So I go in, I take a little bit of the slip gel, I make it dry, I go in. You imagine that your nail is inside there and you come all the way out to the end. Be very careful because if not, you're going to end up with like these clumps right in the middle of your fingertips and the nail. Spread it around. And you imagine that that's how you want your nail to look inside the cradle. It's actually really easy and it's kind of therapeutic. I really do enjoy this. Then we cure it. Like, oh no, apply it to your hand. Then you cure it. One thing you got to be careful is when you press down, you're going to get these little edges pop up. See? Go ahead and take that brush, dip a little slip solution in, clean it up, and wipe it on the paper towel. Get it off. Don't leave it on there because it's sticky and it's going to cause a big mess. There you go, 145. See, it pops right off. Oh, it's so satisfying. This was my favorite part. Oh my goodness, look at that shine. Yes, that's real. That is so real. So then you have to clean off the edges with like, once it's drying, I put the top gel to cure it again. And then you can file the edges. You gotta file those edges. You gotta use the top gel, cure it. I would cure it for a good 2 minutes, and there you have it. I'm so satisfied. I love these nails. Thank you to Born Pretty.